Hey guys, Swayze is here. Disclaimer, no investment advice provided. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please read the disclaimer in your own time. Right, hope everyone's well. I'm just doing a few short videos today on a few of the farmer stocks that a lot of people on Twitter and YouTube seem to have an interest in. It's obviously not financial advice. This is just my own personal opinion and seeing how the markets move. All right, guys. So let's just do a quick one on 4D Farmer, also known as DD, right? So TradingView saying it's a sell, right? I have to disagree again with TradingView. Not that I don't respect the technicals on TradingView, but according to how I see the markets moving, I don't know. I think it might be wrong. Okay, what we got to do sometimes, right, to get an idea on what's going on in the present is look at the past, right? That's technical analysis all about analysing past movements and trying to on that data, on that information, trying to project what we think is going to happen in the future. We don't always get it right, of course, but out of the 3,500 tweets I've now made in 4.5 months on Twitter, on Swayze's charts, on Twitter, we have a very high degree of accuracy. And we also have our Swayze's charts Discord. We're on private Discord. We've got 70 plus students now. It's been going for 3.5 months, absolutely flying. And I teach my students through interactive tutorials, videos, charts, my system of technical analysis, which is pretty much indicator free. We use the EMAs, but we don't really bother with any other indicators. Why? Because we use price action, and in my opinion, price action is king in TA. DD. Right. So look at the flotation level, right? Remember that level, guys, right? That's where it floated from. Okay. Back in February 2014, price came up, hit its all-time high, and then retraced from that level, okay, and then came down on the macro. This is the daily chart, guys, so every candle you see is a day of trading. Then dropped off, did a short squeeze, right, and then like a consolidation, sort of a downtrend, as we can see, and then kind of leveled out into like a ranging market state with a narrower price bandwidth, right, and then February of this year, boom, dropped to its all-time low. Now, interestingly enough, right, if we go back, right, this level here was its flotation, and that was quite strong support for quite a while, right, for quite a while. But then price, boom, broke down to an even lower level. Now, if we zoom in to more local action with this stock, we can see that price has found strong support at the all-time low and then started consolidating. Now, what we're trying to do as chartists is we're always trying to figure out what the markets are up to, what the market makers are doing, how they are moving price. So we have to try and like visualize structures. So I've seen that this trend line here that kind of like started like back in like mid-May of this year seems to have quite a few touches. So I've gone out on Twitter and posted my charts and said, look, I think this may be the new channel, possibly. Okay, not financial advice, obviously, according to the way I see the markets move, in my own opinion. And I've drawn this channel, okay, more local action. I've drawn this channel out on the daily chart. Let's screw down to the 4 hour and see what it looks like on the 4 hour. So when we screw down to the 4 hour, we can see that price came in, right, came in to these levels here and gave us multiple touches, right, and then gave us even more touches along these levels here, right, when price started testing these levels here, and then sold off, consolidated, and now it's kind of like it's been in a descending triangle, as we can see. Okay, personally, I'm expecting this stock to find some support. Okay, we've got market structure up ahead, right? So in the medium term to the longer term, it might, this stock might want to revisit 250 plus P. That's the way I see it. Of course, I could be completely wrong, and price might want to break down, start revisiting the lower lows. But according to my system of technical analysis, looking at the charts, I think that this stock will find some support, and I think it will start wanting to revisit the highs, the previous highs, and I think it's, to me it looks bullish, right? Okay, guys. Sometimes you got to go with your ideas, okay, and try and be brave, and not worry if you're wrong, okay. Can't always be right, but this is how I see this stock moving. I think we have some sort of a structure here, and I think that this stock will find support in the coming weeks. All right, might not happen tomorrow morning when that bell rings. Don't have a day trading philosophy, guys. Right, in my opinion, it's my advice. I would say don't have a day trading philosophy if you're looking at longer time periods. Okay, all the action does not occur in one day unless you're an intraday chartist, right? If you're intraday, you're going to be looking on the 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, hourly chart. Okay, you're going to see more volatility because you're screwing down to smaller time zones, smaller time frames, okay? But my system here, we use the daily chart, the 4-hour chart, and we look over days, weeks, months, years. All right, guys, so I hope everyone's having a nice weekend. I appreciate the support on Twitter and YouTube. Thanks for all the nice comments. I really appreciate all the new follows. Hope everyone's having a great weekend, and I'll get this uploaded real soon today. Thank you.